This PMB HPC 652-1, also known as an A1-230-0000, is a laser power supply which has an output capable of 3,800 volts of direct current. We performed a full rebuild on this unit and then fully tested the power supply as shown in the video. These power supplies can be very complex and very unforgiving if everything is not correct, which is why we fully test these units before they leave. At ERD, we have repaired a wide variety of laser power modules, and we have developed all the necessary methods to work on high voltage GC power supplies, up to 150,000 volts of direct current, which is the highest voltage we have seen to date.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.